Let's discuss an interesting word, いわゆる, which often comes up when describing commonly known concepts or phrases in Japanese discussions. The word いわゆる means what is commonly referred to as or so-called. It is used when introducing a common term, phrase, or description that may not be universally recognized or needs clarification. The first kanji means place or location and often points to where something exists or belongs. In words like shoyu, it helps show that something belongs to a place or person, giving the sense of ownership. And in shotoku, it marks the source or place-related aspect of earnings. The second kanji means to say or to call and relates to naming or stating. In words like you, it carries the action of speaking or asserting. And in iware, it contributes the idea of a stated reason or the story behind something. He is a so-called expert. 彼はいわゆる専門家です。彼はいわゆる専門家です。He is what you call an elite. 彼はいわゆるエリートです。彼はいわゆるエリートです。